Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a giant desktop plane jack, kind of like the ones you used to use when you were a kid. You'd bounce the ball and grab the jacks. This one's going to be 4 inches wide so you could put it on your desk. Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the program. I'm drawing this from memory so I don't have any pictures to follow. Okay, we're going to be drawing this in inches, so go ahead and select new design, and then go ahead and change this to plan view. Okay, we're going to do the jack 4 inches, so we're going to go ahead and get the line tool. We can snap the grid. We're going to put one line from here over to the left, type in 2. So that's going to be your first line. Second line is going to be from here over, and this is going to be also be 2, so go ahead and hit 2. Select to click off. Now I'm going to go ahead and we'll go ahead and do this line here. Doesn't have to be any particular size, just put it in the middle there. We're going to right mouse click, set as mirror. We're going to grab our circle tool. I'm going to put the first ball right there. It's going to be 0.7. Okay, now we're going to get our line tool. We're going to go from here. We're going to go 2 clicks up, and then we're going to drag over to the ball there. Click. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and trim this up. So we can go ahead and get rid of that mirror line. We get rid of this line, these 2 lines here. Okay, now we're going to grab the line tool. We're going to go from here over to here. And then we're going to get our trim away the bottom of that circle, little middle piece there, and then the bottom of that circle. Now we're going to revolve this around, so we'll pull. We're going to select our piece. We're going to revolve it. Click that midpoint, full pull. Okay, now we're going to select the jacks. We're going to do a Control C, Control V on the keyboard. We're going to move. We're going to grab that blue. We're going to twist it up 90. Okay. All right, that's going to be our first part of the jack. Now we're going to put a plane. Click there. Now we're going to spin to make sure that that's in the center, and it is. Okay, now we're going to go back to the top. Now we're going to actually turn off these 2 solids. We're going to make it easier to draw. With the plane selected, make sure you click on the plane. We're going to draw a circle out. It's going to be 0.5. Okay. Now we're going to spin this. And we're going to go ahead and copy that. Control C, Control V. Then we're going to move, put that to back to 3D. Going to click on that. Grab your blue arrow. We're going to pull this out 2 inches, so punch in 2 there. Okay, now we're going to paste to put the other one back. Go ahead and hit fill with the other one. And now we're going to go back to top. Okay, Control minus. We're going to click on that face there. We're going to grab the circle tool, click in the middle. We're going to drag out to 0.35, enter. Okay, now we're going to get rid of this. Or actually spin this. Okay, we're going to get rid of this piece here. Delete. We're going to click on that one, select fill. Now we're going to click these 2 and select blend. And then check the box. Okay. All right, now we're going to do another one over here. So we're going to spin this around. Let's go to the bottom. Control minus, Control minus. Let's go ahead and click that face there. Let's spin this. Let's go Control C, Control V on the keyboard. Let's move. Let's grab this blue arrow. Let's pull this out, type 2. Okay, let's spin this. Okay, now we're going to go back to the bottom view. Okay, now we're going to click that face. We're going to put a circle in there. 0.35, enter. Now we're going to spin. Now we're going to get rid of this top one. Delete. We're going to click on that second one that we created. Select fill. Now we're going to do the blend from here to here. And make sure that this ruled segment is on so it's straight. Check the check mark. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and turn on our solids. This one, this one. Now we're going to go to spin. That's going to be our jacks. Control minus. Go ahead and get rid of that plane. We don't need it anymore. Let's go to isometric view. Okay, let's go to the top view. And then let's go to isometric view. Okay, that's going to be our plane jacks. That's an extra large size ones, 4 inches and wide. So hopefully you can be able to print this out and then put it on your desktop or on your desk, computer desk. That's going to end today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Thanks again for watching.